Welcome back everyone. In my last video I assembled my new SMRFS Defender electric bicycle. Today I am going to add the optional second battery to the e-bike. SMRFS has an excellent video for this procedure. Please refer to that video to actually add the optional second battery to the e-bike. I just want to show you my experience as an average person. First thing I am going to do is pull everything out of the box to make sure there is no damage and that I have all the pieces. If you go back to my unboxing video, you will see that this box was packed within a large box that contained the complete e-bike. Everything appears to be here and intact. Here are some close-up photos of everything that was in the box. 14 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. Mounting tray for the battery. Battery balancer, or sometimes called a battery blender. This is not on the official video, but I recommend removing the main battery before doing anything with the controller or wiring. Remove the 4 bolts from the down tube. Using the 4 bolts, carefully attach the battery tray to the down tube. Once again, use care as to not strip these threads. I will go back after my first ride or two and make sure these bolts are still snug. I am not using Loctite at this point, but it may be an option for the future. I am going to test fit the battery at this point just to make sure nothing is binding up. I used a power tool to remove the cover to the controller. I would not recommend this. Use a plain Phillips head screwdriver and remove these screws by hand. This is the scary part of the installation. Remove the controller and disconnect the battery connection. Install the blender in line with the battery cables. I was a little thrown off because the connection for the second battery was hidden up into the frame. I had to dig around blindly to find it. There is no secret to putting the controller and blender back into the frame. Just use common sense and take your time. Almost done. I am going to reinstall the cover to the controller. This time I am using the correct hand tool and not a power tool. Do not forget to plug the connector from the battery tray into the port on the left side of the frame. The connection is a little tricky. Examine both sides and once again take your time. If you recall, I took out the primary battery at the beginning of the installation. I'm going to put it back in now. I did this because I did not want to handle any live wires when I was connecting the blender to the controller. That is it. We completed installing the second battery. I tested running the bike with both batteries and with each individual battery. You will notice that you do lose some of the step-through space. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If I do not know the answer, I will try and reach out to SMRFS to find out. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content with the SMRFS Defender.